it's Christo here from Band 4x4 again. I'm going to quickly explain to you how the 4x4 need to be engaged. Right, while you're driving, you can engage it from 4x2 to 4x4 in high range, less than 100 km an hour. Which means if you switch it over to 4x4, the light will start flashing and it's stopped. If it's stopped, that means it's engaged. Please do that only for short distances. If you need 4x4 in low range, only in low distances. And just a little note, point number one, you can only do that on uneven surfaces, not on hard surfaces. In other words, you cannot drive 4x4 on tar roads. On hard surfaces, that also means on gravel roads where the surface is hard. If you want to engage in low range, press the stand still, stop the vehicle, press the clutch in, disengage your gears, switch from 4x4 high to 4x4 in low. The light will start flashing and it will stop. If it stops and it stands still, that means you are engaged. You can also do the diff lock when you are in low range, and you must disengage the low range when you go out. To reverse the process, you need to do it also the same. Stop your car, switch it over, disengage your gears, put your clutch in, switch it over for 4x4 low range to 4x4 high range. The light will start flashing until it comes off, and then you can start driving, and in the drive you can switch it over from 4x4 high range to 4x2, and then the light will disappear. That means you are now good to go on a normal road on higher speed. Thank you.